Alright, so we're just going to pack up this StarLink and see if we can get it in the front trunk of the Tesla Model Y, just on a speed test, which has been pretty successful in this location. We can set up our visibility and what have you through the app, but the important thing here is in settings. Before you pack up the system, you do have to go to settings and press the stow button, which when you press that, the StarLink will put itself in the pack up position and shut itself down. Then with this router, you'll want to disconnect your effectively network cable connection, which is this USB port, and then pack up your lead. Sorry for doing this all one-handed. So that part can pack nicely in here. And throw your lead on top. Obviously, pack up your base. Don't want to drive off with that one still on the roof. And then the inverter, which is sold separately. That can all get packed up together. And we do still have a reasonable amount of space there in the front with all the StarLink systems packed. Let's just throw these little bits of cardboard in there as well. It's your little quick start guide if you haven't seen that already, and just your StarLink logo there. So Tesla-Taxi.com.au if you'd like to rent one of these StarLink kits and or a Tesla to power your internet for several days off grid.